butterfly. And we'll do the right turnaround 360. So we come to underhand with the takeout, and then take out and go to overhand. Then do the left turnaround 360, left takeout to underhand, left takeout to overhand. And then let's go up into the angel, and again, and again. And then take out right, stall right, overhand weave on the right, come down across the bottom and up over the top in the fountain, second time through the fountain, and third time through the fountain, and last time through the fountain, and come up to overhand weave, open it up, stall your left poi, turn left into underhand opposite hip reel, come into underhand butterfly, left takeout, turn left, overhand butterfly on the back, left takeout, turn left, underhand butterfly on the front, right takeout, turn right, overhand butterfly on the back, right takeout, turn right, underhand butterfly, and angel 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and giant, back to hip reel, and bring it into underhand butterfly, drop stall, counterclockwise corkscrew, turning left, and tap on the left, up and over and down and tap on the right, up and over, down and tap on the left, up and over, down and tap on the right, up and over, down and tap on the left, up and down, up and around and turn and tap, and to the left, up around, turn and tap, to the right, up around, turn, tap, down and to the left, and tap to the right, and tap to the left. Now we're going to add the jump, and going to the left with the jump, to the right with the jump, to the left with the jump. Now this time come into clockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, come into the pinwheel, and bring it together time, bring it down and stall to the left, and up and down and stall to the right, and up and down and stall to the left, and up and down and stall to the right, and up and down and stall to the left, and up and down and stall to the right, and bring it up into pinwheel, turn right into overhand weave, turn right into counterclockwise pinwheel, so turn away from me into counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right into underhand weave, and turn right into clockwise pinwheel. Now we'll go left into underhand weave, turn left into counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left into overhand weave, turn left into clockwise pinwheel. Make it big 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3. Now hold the left one up, tap the right one on your leg, overhand butterfly, thread the needle, and bring it back to butterfly. Take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left, right goes up, left goes up, right goes up, left goes up. Take it right and back it up, left and back it up, right and back it up, left and back it up, moving it forward, bring it up, left up, forward, right up and forward, left up and forward, thread the needle, and back to butterfly, left takeout, stall left, overhand weave on the left, and fountain to the right, up and over, second time, up and over, third time, up and over, last time, up and over, and turn right to the counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right to the underhand weave, step your left leg forward and turn right to the clockwise pinwheel, so turn away from me, clockwise, and turn right to the overhand weave, and step your left foot forward, right 360 in the weave, and then we're going to go step our right foot forward and turn left 360 in the weave, and turn right 90 degrees into the counterclockwise hip reel in split time or together time or same time, whatever floats your boat, and chase the sun, and come down on the left and overhand, sweep back to the right, step your left foot forward, sweep over, away from me, yes, 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 step your left foot forward again, sweep back, step your left foot forward again, sweep over, step your left foot forward again, and chase the sun counterclockwise. And come down and overhand on the left, overhand weave, lock out right, lock out left, lock out right, lock out left, lock out right, turn right to underhand weave, lock out left, lock out right, lock out left,